Hi everyone, sorry it's taking such a long time. Um, Obviously with these videos, busy. I ended up getting married last year and just been doing loads of work on the house. So I'm trying to just get back into this project a bit, do a bit more. So yeah, I'm currently on the front wheels. If you remember the traction engine, move out of the way. Now, unfortunately, I've not been able to get in contact with the fella who's sort of given me the drawings for this model. It's something that he's come up with. It's not like a specific traction engine, like a Fowler or anything. It's just a 2-inch sort of beginner engine, a homemade one. Simplified, but obviously he never actually finished the plans, unfortunately, and I can't get hold of him. So yeah, sort of just getting back into it. I'm going to work out what I'm going to do, and work out as I get along. I've got a couple of friends that are way more knowledgeable about this kind of stuff that have, repaired full-size traction engines, so they're kind of handy to pick the brains with. So I'll probably end up doing that. But yeah, anyway, I'm up to the started making the front wheels. These were sheet, 3mm sheet that I'd ordered from work, and I got these plasma cut out. They were a little bit rough, so on my lunch I've just literally lathed them, bored them out internally, and clean them up so that I get a nice flush fit inside these. And the same again with the tube. Just cut this tube and lathed it up. This is going to be obviously the wheel rim. This is 33mm wide, if that makes sense there. 3mm thick. So this is 3mm, so that gives me, in the centre, 15mm either side. And I'm currently just doing the spokes. Now, I had these all plasma cut out again at work. These spokes. I wasn't too sure, I kind of rushed the whole spoke design. I looked at a few photos on Google and that, and some, previous photos where I've been to like sort of traction engine rallies, and came up with like a measurement I thought would be look smart, and yeah, they look a bit too chunky for my liking. So what I'm doing here, I've just cleaned a load of them up at 12, 6 for each wheel. I've tacked them front and back, and I'm just going to mill this face here and flip it and mill it again, like take them down to about 8mm, because I think they're currently sitting at about, I think they're about 14. So yeah, maybe 10 to 8mm I think I'll go. Just so they look a bit more spindly, nice, bit more kind of traditional. And then I'm going to drill and put a slight bend in, like a 10-degree bend. I need to machine the middle hub of something, I don't know, find out what I've got. And then I've got some mini copper rivets, 1/8 of an inch or something, thickness. And I'll have 3 per spoke, obviously here, and then mount them some way in the centre. So I'm going to set this up on the mill now, and yeah, start taking that off. So I'll move over to the mill. Okay, so I've milled these down now. Bit more of a suitable size. And I'm just about to cut this in half just so it's easier to drill. And put some engineer's ink on here, dye, and I'm going to drill the 3 points, obviously for the rivets. And this is obviously going to be like here. I'll grind that down, shape it, thin it, and put it like a bevel on there, I reckon. So let's do that now. Okay, there's the spokes. I've given them a quick glinish and cleaned them up, obviously deburred them. Now, the original one that I'm working from, the photos, it's along here, it's 3 rivets onto the rim. But I decided kind of push for time at the moment. Obviously, trying to, like I say, trying to do up the house and work and all these other little jobs you're doing in between. Little things like this, which aren't hugely into aesthetics. It's not going to be structurally any much different. So yeah, just sort of simplifying it a bit. Obviously, this is the first one I've ever built. Ideally, I'd like to make a larger one, a larger scale, a bit more in depth, maybe a bit more sort of technical. If this one goes to plan, I can imagine I'm going to make this and then keep changing stuff. You know, you get teething problems. So obviously, that was the original drawing that I had plasmid out, and then this is obviously what I've modified it to. So I think that should look a bit nicer. If I lay that out on here. So kind of there's the rim. Bear with me. So they're going to be something like that. I think I'll probably have them central like that, obviously. For now, just stick them like that. It's already looking loads better than I had set up the other day. Yeah, something like that. So it's hard to tell from there. But yeah, they should look pretty cool. I think I'll get these powder coated as well. We use a company at work that are really good. It was quite hard wearing. So, I'm not sure if I could do it with the body, with the firebox and that. I have insulated it with ceramic wool, so suppose you could just spray them. But yeah, it's looking kind of neat. Okay.